channel. Hope everybody's doing well, keeping safe, and just being blessed and prospering and succeeding in life in whatever that you're doing. And may God keep blessing you guys and prospering you. Okay, so today's video I'll be talking about just some of the misconceptions that a lot of people have about living in America and life in America, and just the whole thing. I know a lot of people can relate to what I'm gonna say, like, cause yeah, we all have had a family member or a friend or somebody that we know that complain about something, but some people just think that America is this big paradise on earth where people that live here, we have no worries, we have no problems, and that money just grow on tree and we just go pick the money and we just go home and stack and pile up the money, and whenever they call and say they want some money or they want something, we just go to Western Union, MoneyGram, and all these places and just dash out the money upon them, just so. But people, it ain't like that. It is not like that at all. You hear me? It is not like that. People, we have to work hard here. You understand? If you're lazy, America is not for you. Because no they dash out and no free, nothing give it over here. So, nothing give it free. You understand? Everything you want, you have to work hard for it. You understand? So when the family member have 2-3 jobs just to survive, okay? Just to survive, they have to do 2-3 jobs. And like, I can understand why some people think like that, because when some of us go on vacation, they see us in all these name brand stuff, which America, most of the store them, and if you go to the mall, if you go to the outlets, is all name brands. Nike, Adidas, Puma, everything. Michael Kors, Tommy, everything. It's just brands. You understand? And some of us, we only can shop when it's on sale. You understand? We can't pay full price for it. Some of us. You understand? Me cheap. Girl cheap bad. In a Highland talk. Girl cheap bad. Me only shop when they have sale. Bye. Me not pay full price. Me shop on sale. Me sorry. Me have to work too hard for my money to spend all of it on clothes and whatever. You understand? But me tell you, say, you need to understand, because they come and you see them in all these fancy clothes and stuff. Some of them are them credit card they use. You understand? And some of them, they buy the clothes and they can't tear out the tag out of it, because when they come back, they are plan to carry back and get back their money. Some of them are them debit card they use the same way, and they are plan to carry back and get back their money. You understand? And rich, we rich when you see we come down there and have our nice clothes and something. And rich, we rich. You understand? But we want to look nice and we want to look like we are foreign. You understand? So we know rich. So don't look on that and think that we have money. You understand? Some people come here and make it big and have money, yes, but for people, regular people living day-to-day life, easy bills kill you in America, kill you dead. Hey, you have to pay everything. See, like a Jamaica way, you have your phone and you can tap up it anytime you want to tap up it. If you not tap up it, you still can use it. In America, you can use the phone if you not pay your bill. Then cut it off, clean, drop a ground, phone cut off. You understand? Jamaica, you can't trust credit from all Digicel. You can't trust credit and pay back Digicel. When if you not pay and you can't put no credit, so Digicel take back their money. And so yes, But here we can't do it like that. You don't pay your rent, landlord evict you, you out the door. You understand? You can't pay your mortgage, bank take back their house and sell it. You understand? So, easy, ain't a better roads. People they have to work hard. Some people have to get up when you live in a state where snow fall. People have to wake up from woy if you go to the door, go clean up their car. Cause when they go there, their car white like a pinikin, and they have to dig off snow for their car, dig out their car in order to get ready to go to work. The people in work, cause if you don't go to work, you lose your job. You understand? So a lot of these things people have to go through just to survive in America here. You understand? So when your family member call call and they say they can't, they don't have it, and ask something and they don't have it. And you see sometimes people they don't have it. Some have it on me like a star up on tree, They're not giving a table prayer. But some really and truly they don't have it because easy. Easy. You understand? Before me come here come live, and before me travel or anything, I used to come on vacation because my daughter live here, so I used to come and visit her and stuff from my auntie and family and stuff. We come visit. Me used to think, I hear people talk about foreign, especially New York. Me hear people talk about New York, they live in New York, and New York, the big apple, this and that. Me think say, and this big old pretty paradise place where everything glisten like a gold and diamond. So I used to think that people is this big paradise, where magic happens and all of that, and people live big and all of that. But in reality, people, when you come, it's nothing like the picture that I had in my head, right? I had a different thing, and when I come and see what it was like, to me, in my opinion, remember that's my opinion. Everybody entitled to their own opinion. It may be different to everybody. New York is like, it's like a Jamaica, and you just full of pure Jamaican. It's like Kingston. It's just like a big Kingston, but with a more upgraded Kingston. The only nice part about it is down at Times Square. Other than that, to me, New York no hot. You understand? New York not happen. To me, it not happen. To other people, it's the world, right? But to me, it not happen. You understand? So don't just look funny and say yes, everything over here are glitz and glam, people. It's not all that. There's pro to it and there's con to it. Just like living in Jamaica, there's pros and there's con. Here, if you have a business, you can get access to things more. Like in my business, if me were living in Jamaica, I could ship things from China, because so most of the vendors, everything, they're in China. Me would have to pay thousands of dollars in a shipping cost. Living in America, me get most shipping for free, right? Amazon, me pay Amazon Prime, me get free shipping and all of that. So if we go to school, it's easier. Me take out my student loan, me get my FAFSA loan, and you pay back when you're done school and whatever. Access to buying a car, house, to me it's more easier, right? Once you have good credit, you can buy anything in America. Credit run America. Jamaica, not born no credit at Jamaica, right? Once you have a job and you can prove so you can pay by people them things at Jamaica, you can get a loan. But here, credit run here. And food kind of cheap, not all that cheap as people think, as me used to think it dirt cheap. You're gonna store and food cheap like a dirt and dust. No, clothes cheap like a dirt, cheap like a dust. No, it's not like that. Good things are expensive, just like Jamaica. Buying good things expensive, right? And school here is great. If you have picnic go to school and whatever, you know, so you don't have to worry about no school bus. You don't have to pay no taxi fare in a school, and you know, then get lunch at school. You can get free lunch at school. You can get breakfast and you get lunch, and you know, school bus come pick them up at the gate and get them go to school, and you know, all these things which are great that Jamaica does not offer. You understand? And that's what I wanted for my child, is to get a better life, get the life that I never had, that my mother could not afford to give to me. That's why I came here, so I can give that to my child, and then my child will enable to give that to her child or children or whatever they choose to have. You understand? So it's not that like that life is perfect here, or life is smooth sailing here. We all have challenges, day-to-day challenges or whatever, but at the same time, it's a whole lot better than living in Jamaica. In Jamaica now, we can pick breadfruit off a tree, we can go pick ackee off of a tree, we can go seaside, go fishing and catch fish if we don't have no dinner. And you know, we can go trust on a shop and all these good things, you know. Have a nice clean beach and nice clean this, you know. Here the water dirty. I don't know what kind of sea they have here. I don't know. Like when the river meet in a sea and river come down, but I don't know. But Jamaica is beautiful, people. Jamaica is nice. It's great to live. You only want money. Let me say, guys, you only want money to live at Jamaica. You know, once you have money, you can pay your bills, your picnic go to school, you can, you know, find food to eat and all of that. Jamaica, nice. But if you choose to explore and find greener pastures wherever in the world, whether America, Canada, anywhere in the world, and you want to take the risk, take the risk. If you don't take the risk, you won't know if it will work out. I have done it. Others, countless others have done it. Search for greener pastures elsewhere and then go back home and, you know, come here and make hustle and make money and send home and build a nice house and, you know, set up yourself. When we retire, we go back home and go live comfortable. If you choose to do so, do it. You understand? Don't make nobody tell you, say, oh, not the America, this and that. Yeah, you have to work hard. If you're lazy, nowhere in the world I no feel. Not even Jamaica no feel if you're lazy. If you're lazy in Jamaica, you can't have nothing. You understand? It's just the same everywhere. You understand? If you're lazy, I no feel. You understand? But on that note, I would just say, well, thank you guys for tuning in as usual, and stay blessed, stay safe, and you know, put God first in everything that you do, and you know, pray about everything before you do it, and you know, let God lead the way. And yes, good luck with everything that you're doing in life, and more blessings. Yeah, have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, because you know, you gotta let people know about Island Gal. Yes, right, that's so. Until next time, bye.